What everyone, and welcome to this video. It's your favorite JG Tech Nerd coming with another video to you all, and it's pretty much just about a protocol we're gonna talk about on DisplayPort, so let's get into it. How did I find out? Well, I pretty much just found it out when I had to help my dad setting up a new workstation for his job, and then had a docking station built in the screen with a port called MST multi-stream transport. And it was with DisplayPort and was actually introduced in DisplayPort 1.2 standard. That pretty much allows multiple display connections connected to a single DisplayPort to your PC, laptop or desktop, and makes it easier to use and a lot more cleaner cable management, while and just easier to take your laptop off for some work and then put it on back on the station if you want that. And it actually is it will be used when you have a docking station, either separated docking station or built into the screen itself. That had that built into screen, and that's how I found out, because normally you have a single video transporter or single stream transporter with DisplayPort, and that's just one cable, one video connection. But if you have MST, you can connect more than one cable with video signal connected to that docking station, and then use one cable to connect to a laptop instead of using, let's just see, 3 DisplayPort capsule into a laptop. Then you just only have one. Pretty easy and pretty handy, and just cleans up your workstation a lot more and easier cable management use. And then you have normally cables that is single stream transport called SST, and that's pretty much just, as you said, one cable, one video signal. MST, more signal combined to one signal, video to one DisplayPort. Pretty easy, pretty handy. And I just want to tell you, if you didn't know about this feature, I want to let you know what it is and what it does really do when you see a port like that on your docking station or on your screen. If you didn't know your screen had a docking station, then you know now what it is and what it is used for and how you can use it if you want to. And that's pretty much it for the video. If you did, of course, like it, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video, and then I will see you all on the next video. Stay safe, stay awesome. JG Tech Nerd is signing out. Peace.